Hi, Keith Cawthorell here at the law firm of Keith Cawthorell, Houston Tax Attorney on Instagram. I want to talk to you today about something that doesn't really come up, and you probably don't really think about it until the IRS gets you on it and tags you on it. And it's the Section 183 Hobby Loss Rule, for-profit rule. And where it comes in is it's people who, if you're doing Herbalife, if you're doing Modan Fields, if you're doing Avon, anything like that, that's a home-based business, even Primerica, anything such as that is something where you can get into these types of problems where the IRS may not give you all of your deductions if you're not making a lot of profit. So let's kind of get to the bottom of it and kind of let you know what I'm really talking about. So what the Section 183 profit loss rule essentially says is that if the IRS looks at 5 years of your business, and for 3 out of 5 years, if you don't make a profit, they are going to deem it as a hobby and they're not going to allow you to take any deductions. Now though, if you made some income, they're usually nice enough to give you expenses up to the amount of income, but all the other expenses, they're not going to let you take. And they may very well just say you can't even do it at all. So they look at a couple of factors. They look at, some of the factors they look at, there's 7 of them. Do you have the knowledge needed to carry on this business? Another one is, have you changed your method in order to make it more profitable? Are your losses due to circumstances beyond your control? Are you dependent on this income? So do you have a regular job, full-time job, and you do this on the side? If you're doing it on the side, then the IRS may say you're not really dependent on it. It's just more of a hobby. How much time or effort do you make or do you put into it to make it profitable? Do you treat it like a business? Do you have a separate bank account? Do you have records? Those sorts of things. So the best thing to do if you had this type of business, like Herbalife, makeup, those sorts of Mary Kay, whatever it is, if you're not making a lot of money on it, what I tell my clients to do is to either not take all your expenses and just kind of break even, or if you don't do that, you can have a couple of bad years, but if you're not making a profit, just don't get too crazy with it. I mean, it's one of those things. It's a bit of gray area as far as that particular calculus, but hopefully some of this information I've told you today is going to help you out and give you an idea of what to do. Thank you and have a good day.